Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. My name is Ina Pandora and today we are doing lip swatches and specifically the AOA, the velvet lips. I got all the colors that are available on Shop Miss A website. Now these ones are not a matte formula, they're like velvet as it says, so they are, you know, they're not transfer proof or anything. I'm intrigued, I want to try them all, so let's get it on. All right, so we are going to start with the shade Crisp. I am really impressed on how pigmented this is, considering that is $1. It's very comfortable. It feels a little powdery when you put it on at first, but honestly, it's very, very comfortable. I don't even feel like I have lipstick on. It's not drying, so yeah, I like the color. Color definitely gives me the spring vibe. I think it's very, very pretty. So yeah, this is our first one. All right, guys, the next color is Reese. Definitely a very beautiful color. I do like how it feels on the lip. I still can't believe that these ones were just $1. Very comfortable on the lips and very pigmented as well. I am impressed. Next color is Riley. I gotta mention, I really like the applicator and how it applies. Like, I don't need to line or fix or anything. It's really, really nice. I still can't believe that these ones are $1. The applicator, it's spot on. One of the best actually applicators that I've used. It does remind me of Smashbox matte lipsticks. I think the applicator is pretty much kind of the same. Really easy to apply, and like as you can see, I didn't even need to line my lips. If you like satin velvet finish lipsticks, girl, these ones, pick a color that you love the best and don't hesitate and grab it. It's so good. I'm speechless. The next color is Claire. The formula is definitely very consistent so far. It's very pigmented. It glided in beautifully on the lips. Next color is Aria. Again, formula is very consistent, looks and feels very nice on the lips. I am obsessed with these colors. I can't even. I seriously can't believe they are so affordable. Next color is Lana. Now, if you watch me for a while, you know I love me some red lipstick. So this one is a very, very gorgeous red lip. It's definitely more of like a warm red tone, but still very, very beautiful. The next color is Harper. Harper is definitely another red color. Ooh, this one is a vibrant red. So pretty. Definitely a very, very gorgeous color. It's a statement. Like, sometimes all we need is just a bright lip color with a natural makeup and it looks bomb. So this one is my absolute favorite of them all so far, even though all of them are gorgeous colored. I'm gonna keep it close to my heart because I love the formula. I love how weightless they are. Like, I don't even feel that they have lipstick on. How awesome is this? That does not happen very often with affordable lipsticks. So grab these ones before they sold out because they are so good. Beautiful color. Next color is Sabrina. I wasn't sure I would like it when I started applying it. It felt a little patchy, but actually once you rub the lips together, the color kind of melts and it looks really, really nice. I love this color. Totally love this color. I seriously am going to carry at least 3-4 of them in my purse. They look so good, feel so good. Next and the last one is Loma. Now this one, it's a beautiful berry color. Out of them all, I think this one is a little more liquidy. You kind of have to work it in a little bit, but still, nonetheless, it's a very beautiful color. It's a beautiful berry color. I'll make sure to leave the links to these lipsticks down below in the description box of this video. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this video useful and hope to see you in my next one. Love you. Bye.